Hi, today we're going to talk about exponential functions. So we've spent a lot of time discussing rules of exponents, but we haven't talked about what their graphs look like or how to use them in a word setting. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So make sure as we get started that you've got your name at the very top of your paper. That way your things don't get lost. So we need a couple of notes first that are very, very important. So let's slide your paper over and write on some key information. First off, as we look at our formula, we see an A, a B, and an X. 3 different letters. Let's talk about A. A is your initial value. It's your y-intercept. It's what you had at the beginning of the word problem if it was in a story situation. Let's talk about B. B is what is happening to that value that you had. And it will be either multiplying or dividing. Yes. What it is doing. So your x is your exponent. It's frequently an amount of time. This is your exponent. And usually time. So it's asking how many bacteria were present after 3 days, or how much money was in your investment after 4 years, things like that. So the exponent is going to be helpful depending on what exactly a word problem might be asking you to do. So to help us see what these look like, let's graph these 2 examples and build a t-table and see how they work. We're going to get, well, let's go ahead right now. We have another vocabulary word. It's not one of these variables. It's called an asymptote. Asymptote. So this is a line that your values, your results, get closer and closer and closer to equaling, but they don't ever actually equal it.